In my DMs, people ask me, who created you? Someone else asks, who created this world, these planets, all these stars, this infinite grandeur of existence? Who brought it all into being? Look, dear, the reason you don't know who created this world is, just put a question mark in front of it. Don't try to answer it yourself. Just say God. Right now, our knowledge has reached the point where we know the universe began with the Big Bang, that a massive explosion occurred, and not only our universe, but parallel universes to ours also came into existence. Countless universes, dark energy, dark matter, things we know nothing about. We've only identified 4% of this world. You don't know anything about physics, so please, hush, keep your mouth shut. What you're so unsure about is definitely not God. God is your answer to ignorance.
The Big Bang, or the Great Explosion, where everything started from a single compressed point. This idea was first proposed in 1927 by the Belgian physicist George Lemaître, and in the 1960s, it was confirmed by the discovery of cosmic background radiation by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson in 1965. And because of this supporting discovery, they were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. But the Quran, 1400 years ago, in verse 30 of Surah Al-Anbiya says, "Do the disbelievers not see that the heavens and the earth were joined together? Then we separated them from each other." This precise description recalls the initial separation of the universe, which modern science would only discover centuries later. In 1983, Andrei Linde, a prominent Russian physicist and cosmologist, stated in his paper on the inflationary universe that the process of cosmic inflation could create bubbles, each of which is an independent universe with its own unique characteristics. His idea became the cornerstone of the multiverse, which is one of the strongest models of parallel universes in modern cosmology. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest theoretical physicists, said in an interview with the BBC in 2011, "Our model predicts that there are many different universes with different physical laws." Hawking was one of the most important physicists to present the idea of the multiverse, or parallel universes, from a scientific perspective. But 1,400 years ago, the Quran introduced God as the Lord of the worlds, meaning the Lord of multiple worlds, not just one. Now you say that God is just an answer for ignorance, but science is gradually approaching the precise descriptions given in the Quran without contradicting them. And how beautifully God says in verse 53 of Surah Fussilat, "Soon we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that He is the truth." The judgment is up to you.